Let's take a closer look at categories. There are two types of categories: single-level categories and multi-level categories. Single-level categories are simple, one-level filters. Multi-level categories consist of a parent category and one or more subcategories. In this tutorial, we'll focus on creating and customizing multi-level categories. To get started, open the Categories menu and click New Category. Create your parent category, then create the categories that will become its subcategories. Next, open the parent category and go to the Subcategories section. Here, you'll see a list of all available categories. Click the plus icon next to a category to assign it as a subcategory. Now that our category structure is set up, let's add some locations. In most cases, locations should only be assigned to subcategories. Parent categories should only contain locations when there are no subcategories, or when a subcategory goes under different parent categories. Now let's configure the category settings. First, choose the filter selection mode. Select single selection if users should only choose one category at a time, or multi-select if they should be able to choose multiple categories. Next, choose the parent category behavior. Browse subcategories expands the subcategory list, while Parent Category View displays all locations within that parent category. Finally, choose the filter relationship. Combine displays locations from the parent category and its subcategories, while Intersect only displays locations that belong to both. To customize the markers shown on the map, open Marker Display. Here, you can choose between parent category and subcategory markers for active and inactive filters. Inactive filters controls the markers shown when no category is selected. Active filters controls the markers shown after a category is selected. And that's it! Your multi-level categories are now fully configured and ready to use. Give it a try, and if you need any help, just click the chat button.